We can put the air handler right here, which is in the laundry room. We'll have to drop these ceilings 2 feet in here. Or we can put it in the walk-in closet, which is right behind here. And we could bring it straight across. It would come out 25 inches. But then the only thing is that this will not be really a walk-in closet anymore. If we do put it in the laundry room, this is where the washer and dryer would come, the units here, and this is where the air handler would come out to. Ceilings would be dropped 2 feet, but you could still have lots of, you could put extra cabinets in here or things for the laundry room, since you're taking up that space. Now, the problem that we have is, let's see here. Oh, this is the problem. That truss right there has no openings big enough to run any ductwork in it. So what they have to do is they put the air handler over there. What we need to do is they can run it. You can run it to here. We can put a drop in right here, run it along here, okay, and then to that truss right there, which runs all the way down. Is another problem to get over into this room here. But what we can do is bring the drop over here so we can drop it, and it'll just basically just be shooting air over into there. Over here, what we'll have to do is, this is in the kitchen area, okay, and we're going to have to drop this to put the ducts here, and they can bring the ductwork through the web here and bring it to shoot the air over, but they have to put this drop in here. Well, they may not have to put the drop in there, but we will have to. This truss right here, right here. We have to drop here, so we can go from here and drop it here. Okay. And then there's another truss right there we have to drop. So if we follow right here with the drop and then bring it underneath that truss, bring it up in through here, and then right there we have access to run it down. That should be able to do it there. Okay. Now we're up in the master closet. Now what they're proposing is to put the air handler in this spot right here, and then what we can do is we can enclose this right here, bring it right over to elevator, we could put a door on it right here. Put the air handler right in there, right next to the stackable washer and dryer there, and they'll run it all the way up. There's not enough room to put any of the air handlers up in the attic, whether horizontal or vertical, which creates this problem. So basically that's what we have right now. Just need to determine whether we're going to put the air handler in the laundry room or in the second floor walk-in closet. And I guess there's a seat. Is it over here? I believe it's over here. Carpenter's build.